welcome back to my channel. Today is bonfire night, so it is, and I am going out tonight with 3 of my friends. So we're going to walk about the streets and see the fireworks and some of the bonfires. So we are. So yes, I went last year with my brother and my sister-in-law to the Glasgow Green firework display. So I did last year. So this year I didn't want to go, and I'm just going out with my friends this year, just going to walk about and stuff like that. So I think we're going to the fort to get some hot chocolate. So we are later. So I'll keep you up to date what we do and that. Okay? Right.
That was probably just happening in walls.
Actually set up fire.
Love you. That's me now, back in from being out at the fireworks with my friends. It was absolutely freezing outside, so it was. That's why I had my hat on and my gloves. So yes, I'm going to end the video here now. So I am, because I'm doing nothing else later on tonight. So yeah, and I'm just going to sit down and watch the finale of Big Brother. It's the last ever season of it, and I'm really sad, so I am. So anyways, if you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and press the notification bell, and yeah, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!